Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can save someone else's reels on your Instagram account. So by saving these reels, you can find the reels right away whenever and wherever you are. Now you just need to open your Instagram application and don't forget to sign or log in with your account. And the next thing you need to do is just go find the reels. There will be two ways that you can There could be two ways to find the reels. You can just go tap into this explore, or you can also right away tap into this reel section. Now you just need to find the reels that you want to save. Let's say I want to save this reels. Tap into this very small dot here, and there could be save icon on the top left side. Just go tap it. And how you can find this, you just need to go back into your profile. You just need to tap into this profile sections right here, and then tap into these three red lines, and there could be saved option here, so just tap it. And there could be a post that you saved, so you can just visit them and you are done. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.